In this video, you will know exactly how to copy and paste a workflow inside n8n. For this example, we have a YouTube automation workflow. We have 4 different workflows that we can use, but each of them are built differently. So for this example, if we want to copy this one and move it into another project, simply drag and highlight everything and hit Ctrl+C to copy it. And now we can open up another project. For this example, we're going to just open up this one and simply hit Ctrl+V. Now you can use this workflow right inside this project. And if you are sharing this workflow online to a community, be sure that you want to go inside any node that have sensitive information such as API keys and other credentials. I hope this information has been helpful. If you want to learn more about how to use n8n, be sure to watch this playlist next.